today we're going to be doing something super fun that I'm actually super excited about because it's painting and cake making all in one. And this is a technique that Landis has kind of taught me. I've never done it before, even right now, and so you're going to be kind of showing me the ropes.
Yeah, so this is super fun. And we just took a 4-layer cake and covered it in fondant that we bought from the store. It's just the Wilton brand. It's very pliable. I would say it feels like Play-Doh kind of when you're touching it.
It looks fun to play with.
Yeah, so we just wrapped it in that, and then you'll be able to see when we get a little bit closer, but we also cut out like little leaves and little flowers out of the fondant and stuck it on just to give the cake a little bit of dimension for us to paint on. So that's what we're starting with, and we'll just go in and show you how we do the watercoloring technique.
All you need for this is, are we going to use vanilla, water, and food coloring?
You just need food coloring, and then I like to use coconut extract because it's clear. Now if you're using like a black or a brown or a darker color, you can easily use vanilla extract, or if you have a clear vanilla extract, you can use that as well. But the darker vanilla extract will change your color that you are using. So if you can find any sort, some people also just use, if you have like any sort of like liquor laying around too, they use that because it's clear.
And can you use gel food coloring or the liquid drop?
I've used both. Yes, okay. I've used both. I would say with the liquid drop kind, you won't need as much liquid in it, whereas with the gel, you might need a little bit more liquid. But either one should work fine. So we'll go ahead and show you how to do it. Okay, so we are just mixing up our bowls that are going to be our watercolor, which is just the coconut extract right here, and then all of our food coloring. So I put coconut extract in all of these little bowls, and now I'm just gonna add the color. So we'll do that. Get some green.
It smells like coconut.
Yeah. It smells very strong coconut. So we've got all of our colors right here that we're gonna paint with, and our plan is to do a floral pattern and kind of just let our watercolor.
Yeah, we're just gonna
take its own path. So I have a bunch of brushes right here. I just went and bought a bunch of cheap brushes that you could paint with, but these are only touching food. So we've got all different brushes.
So, okay, we have 2 shades of green. Can you it's not like watercolor where you can use more water and dilute it, or I guess you could add coconut oil or coconut extract and it would make it like a lighter color?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fun. I think just gonna... Wow! It smells so good.
So this would be a great cake for Mother's Day or just for someone special.
And I hope that everybody's kind of been experimenting with just various cake decorating techniques with all the time that we've had at home lately. How is yours so dark? Did you use the other one?
Jen is the watercoloring paint expert.
No, I'm far from an expert. I did I ever tell you about the 8-hour watercoloring class we did? I don't know what it was for, but or maybe he was just being sweet, but the Saturday before our wedding, Thatcher and I went to an 8-hour watercoloring class. Sweet man, it was us and a bunch of old ladies. So I learned a lot there, but I would say with this technique, or from what I'm gleaning from painting a couple strokes, I don't know, it seems pretty different because you can't play with all the shades, but I would say the most important thing is to let it dry, you know? Yeah. One color at a time, and I hope to go back with the other color next.
If you want less of like the watercolor kind of look and more of like just a paint look, you can just straight use the food coloring. Yeah, you just don't mix it with the coconut extract.
This is such a fun activity and like so cheap because we got this fondant at Walmart.
Yeah.
And then you probably already have food coloring and you might have liquor, I don't know, or
whatever you have to mix it with.
Yeah, you could use it. You could use vanilla or anything like that.
It'd be something to, maybe you could even do it with your mom for Mother's Day. Like make the cake ahead of time and wrap it in the fondant and everything, and then sit down with your mama.
Wow!
Okay, well we've got our final product. That was really fun.
It was so fun. It was very relaxing.
So this would be something fun to maybe do with your mom for Mother's Day or just with some friends. So I hope that was a little bit helpful.
And you could definitely do anything with this. Like, I think you could do tie-dye really well.
Yeah, tie-dye would be fun. Even if you just find a picture you like on Pinterest and want to try to recreate it but on a cake, that'd be fun. And you get to eat it, which is
words,
fun.
anything.
Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions that we can answer. But I think that's all we have for today.
Yeah, we hope you try this out. If you do, tag us on Instagram.
Yeah, if you do. If you put a picture up, let us know. Yeah. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.